Let's learn how to divide the number 1000 by 20 using the long division method. 1 is less than 20, 10 is also less than 20. That is why we will consider the number 100. We know that 20 times 5 is equal to 100. Subtract, we get a 0. Now see that this 0 is less than 20. That is why we will bring down this adjacent 0 here. But see that this is the number 0. So we can remove 1 0. And we know that 20 times 0 is equal to 0. Subtract, we get 0. As we have no number to bring down here and we have got the number 0, so we will stop. Therefore, 1000 divided by 20 is equal to 50. And this is our final answer. Thank you for watching. Please like, share and comment on the video. Also do subscribe the channel.